Welcome learners. So in today's class we will learn about vectors. Can you see this vector 6 and negative 3? Let me draw a grid first. Now we will move 6 right and 3 down. Positive 6 that means right, negative 3 means down. That's how we represent a vector. We represent a vector by bold symbols. Can you see the symbol A? Differentiate between a bold symbol that is a vector and the non-bold symbol we use for scalar ones. Alright. Alright, so this was easy. So imagine there are 3 points O, X and Y. The vector for direction from O to X is A. Alright, OX vector be A. Now let the direction vector of OY be B. So we'll write down OY equals to B. Now think about it. Now think about XO in opposite direction. In opposite direction, the sign changes. How can we denote the opposite direction? We change the sign. Now, what about YO? It would be negative B. Alright, because vector denotes magnitude and direction as well. So by changing sign, we can denote the direction. Now let us try to find XY. There are few routes to go from X to Y. Let's talk about it. See this route, X to O, then O to B. We are moving in opposite direction to A. That's why we will write down XO plus OY. Yes or no? Now what is XO? XO is negative A. Think about it, think about it. The side direction is different. Now OY is plus B. So XY vector would be negative A plus B, or we can write it down B minus A. Alright, now see, look at this diagram. OQ equals to 5A, QR equals to 3B minus A, OP equals to B. Now think and look very closely. OQ equals to SR. Think about it. OQ equals to SR because these two sides are parallel. Alright. We have to work out the followings. First, we have to work out QP in terms of A and B. Q and P. Look very carefully at the diagram. We have to work out QP. What is the direction from going to Q to P? QO. QO plus OP. Yes or no? We are moving in opposite direction. That's why it would be negative 5A. Think about it. And for OP, it would be positive B because we are moving in the same direction. The first task was easy. Let us move on to the next task then, learners. Alright, you understood this one. Let us try to find PR. What is the way from reaching PR? We can go PQ plus QR. What is PQ? Negative of minus 5A plus B. Yes or no? We'll multiply minus 5A plus B by negative. It will give us 5A minus B. And what will we add? QR, that is 3B minus A. Think about it. Think about it. Negative A will cancel out. 5A minus A, 4A minus B plus 3B plus 2B. And now we are calculating PS. Think about it. P to S. So we can go from P to R, then R to S. P to R would be 4A plus 2B and R to S would be negative 5A because we are moving in opposite direction. Think about it. Yes or no? Yes, learners, you got it correct. OABC is a parallelogram. OA equals to 2A, OB equals to 6B. Work out the following in terms of A and B. BC, AC. How can you find BC? So what is the direct? How can we move from B to C? See, parallel vectors are equal. So OA equals to BC because they have same length as well. That's why. Now OB equals to AC. 6B, 6B. So BC equals to 2A. AC equals to 6B. Their length was same and they were parallel as well. Now AM equals to half AC. M is the midpoint of AC. Alright. So what is the value of it? Just half times AM, that is 3B. Now what about OM? How can I reach from O to M? First I will reach OA, then AM. So it would be 2A. O to A is 2A plus AM, that is 3B. Alright. Very good, learners. Very good. Now N is the midpoint of OC. N is the midpoint of OC. We have to find ON now. Think about it. How can I go from O to N? Think about it for a minute. That is half OC. Yes or no? But I can go from O to C. How can I go from O to C? First, I will go from O to B, then B to C. That is 6B plus 2A. Now half it. That would be 3B plus A. We got this one also, learners. Was it easy or not? Just visualize it. Now NB. N to B. Oh no, then we will go NO, then O to B. What is NO? The direction is changing, so we'll multiply it by a negative number. Just multiply it by negative, that is minus 3B minus A, because we are moving from N to O this time. Now just add 6B to it, that is 3B minus A. Very good.